This is how you win a $199 Samsung repair.
It's a great day at Techy. My name is Jude. What information can I provide for you today?
Hi, I recently had.
All right, great start. Started off with a positive. It's a great day at Techy. What information can I give for you today? Love that.
A Samsung fall and drop. I was wondering, it looked a little big though.
Okay, so you dropped the Samsung and cracked it?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, for sure. We can definitely get that replaced for you. For this.
Perfect. I can definitely get that replaced for you. That's the confidence that we're looking for in these calls. This is a one call, by the way.
Are you looking to come in today?
Yeah, my question.
Went right into, are you looking to come in today? Trying to set up that appointment, that time to get him to walk through the door.
To you is, if it's big, does that mean that the phone may not work again, or you have to go inside?
So, in order for me to actually assess that, is I have to open the phone, see, run it through a diagnostics. Our diagnostics are completely free.
So he went into free, unbelievable, free cells. So he's telling them, come in for a free diagnosis first. That's what I'm talking about.
We won't charge you anything before we do anything. And I will assess it, see the problem, find a solution, and then let you know. And then we'll go from there. Do you know what model it is at all?
Yeah, but a bottle of this little plastic.
It really doesn't matter. I fix everything. You give me a car, I'll fix it for you. I don't care. So are you looking to come in today for that phone?
Look at the confidence that he's bleeding. It doesn't even matter. She couldn't figure out what kind of phone it was. He went straight into setting up that appointment.
Yeah, what Techy are you guys at?
This is the Fort Lauderdale location.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, perfect. What's your name?
Vicky.
Vicky? All right, Vicky. My name is Jude. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'll be waiting on you. Do you know what time you would like to come in today?
I probably just go ahead and get it now.
Oh, right now? Okay, perfect. I'll be waiting on you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Bye-bye.
So let's listen to that call. That was a one call, right? And a lot of the reasons is because he's driving them to the door. He's feeding the confidence to the customer. But absolutely, we can fix that. It's for free. Come in right now. When can I expect you? Giving them the location. Everything that we need to be doing and focusing on, he did, and that's why we won that. If you like the information in this video, check out techyuniversity.com. Go into the link in bio. We have 15 years of experience in this industry for free. techyuniversity.com.